taking that first step is a huge challenge as well, and recognising that, and you know, sort of owning that, and what you can do now, and try and get yourself into a better, more comfortable position with yourself, with others as well. And I know that I'm really big supporter in that peer-to-peer, how you'll be able to support each other because you'll be experiencing similar things. I'm really big supporter of that. And actually, I brought that up yesterday with a meeting regarding offender management, or corporate, integrated offender management. And I sort of expressed my view then about how trauma can affect things and influence the choices that you make. You know, why isn't IOM working as well as it could do? And I said, well, by its own nature, by the title of the programme, you're going IOM, Integrated Offender Management, well, you're already starting off with that negative. You're an offender. Well, I don't think that particularly helps, is it? When you want to feel as though, you know, we're helping on these steps along the way. And I think there's a lot to be said about what sort of language can be used to try and be more relatable, because nobody knows what you've got to except you. I think it's important for people in positions similar to me who listen very carefully, show that empathy as well, and sort of be driven by you and sort of being that enabling person really. But that's all I've got to say. Looking forward to seeing what pieces of work you come up with. You know, I know, like I said, Marcus and the team, they've done a really great job, and yeah, I'll be looking forward to an invite to come along and see the pieces of work you've done. Yeah, so thank you very much.
It felt like there really wasn't any championing recovery, and what you've done with the supporting LERO's lived experience recovery organisation, you've realised that the best people to support people into recovery are people in recovery, along with professional support as well from that side of it. But what you've done, it feels like you've started to champion, or you're not starting to, but I really appreciate that you're championing recovery across North Wales.
Well, I appreciate you, MBE award winner there, but yeah.
I thought you were going to bring it with you today.
I am.
I said could have a look at it. But this, what was really nice in celebrating Marcus's personal success is how Marcus also recognised that in receiving the award, because he said it's not just about me, it's about people in. I'm accepting this on behalf of people in recovery, and I think that sort of really telling to what sort of character Marcus is, and you know, got Luke here as well, Jill. It really does show that shift in attitude towards it. So,
yeah, absolutely.
So thank you to
we've been approved at the highest levels now. You know, recovery in Parliament yesterday, Parliament last year, and the Palace. I think people are really appreciating how powerful recovery is. Thanks, Andy.
Thank you.